Okay guys, 72 Super Beetle Part 2. In the last video, we stripped out the factory wire harness due to it all being burned up. In this video, we're going to replace it with a brand new unit, head to toe, from SoCal Imports. Here we go.
This wire goes here, this one goes here. This is the main part of the one.
For what they charge, I thought it would have been tagged.
Yeah, you
Really?
think. You can't spend $5 on tags. You have to spend $500 for the harness.
Right.
Yeah, that's all I had sitting around. I meant to grab like a couple rolls of these from work.
Why don't you see if you had a push through? Might say that. I mean, you got it taped up pretty good.
Yeah, I just want to tape it on here. It's always easier.
Want me to hold it?
That's how you do it. So I always tend to overdo stuff. Feeding that in if you can. I'll pull it.
Okay. If you need to wiggle it back and forth a little bit, just say so.
No, I got it. It's right here. See what I mean? Just no fighting.
Right.
I'd much rather spend the 5-10 minutes taping it up and just.
You had so much blue tape on there, it was nice and smooth looking. I would have given it a shot. To save you cutting all that black tape off.
Yeah. Just like back here behind this installation, there's a harness ran out and ran to the lake.
I'll pull this stool out of here if you want to sit down.
Alright, keep down a little more. Yeah, there we go.
Right.
Yeah, that's good for now.
You got a couple wire ends right here. That's where we're at.
Okay. Yeah, that's cool like that.
But there's wire ends there too.
Yeah, I don't want to sit on this thing. I'm not sitting there.
That's probably just how it goes.
Yeah, something like that. Sure.
It had to be out of the weather, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a little easy. I got a same company. It's a wall mount from Mr. Heater. It's meant for.
You got electric fan on it?
No, I got a fan that I used at work. Before I worked in an air conditioning shop, so like I got an extra fan there. I just got it on my bench, kind of angled up. So,
Oh, here's the instructions here. Okay.
yeah, I was thinking, Work.
You guys thinking about working tomorrow, or you don't know yet? The wires are still from the clothes, they just strip them out. And everything, you can put a lot more in the same container. I'll grease up the hole. You need a pair of needle nose pliers to help you out.
Might eventually need Phillips though. Most of them are going in all the way, but every once in a while you'll get one of the wires bends and then it doesn't mean. Good.
You better know how to flip on a pocket.
I gotta look and see what they mean by fuse block here. Is this? Oh, this one here. Insulation. This one says it's supposed to have a fuse block. Fuse block not included. But it shows 2 connectors. So I don't know if they're calling these fuse blocks. Like, I wouldn't think so. Yeah, so there's a boot back in there.
Is that a little tiny thing?
Well, this is a different one. So
Okay.
there's 2. There's both of those, both of these here. The turn signals we were able to reuse.
Okay. You talking about that little boot here?
Yeah,
There's a little boot down here.
yeah. There's the one that goes. No. So up top here. So there's one here. And there's another one over here. So
Okay, yeah, I see that
we
one.
need those two on both sides.
Okay, so that's back in the back of the bucket somewhere.
Yeah. There's one in the bucket, and then there's one in like the inner fender here. Up to there.
Oh, I'll ask you for the one for the firewall.
Yeah, because I don't even know if these are supposed to go in there. Like, it just feels real tight. Like it's going in, but... That goes there. Still circuit 15. Power wire green with black wires. See dim light harness. Yeah, we got that. So 15 green. It's green.
Okay.
It didn't have the tube
Okay.
going through it, so that's neat. So now we actually got everything.
I'll put this right back here on the floor.
Yeah, that's this harness here.
That wouldn't bother me if that light never works again, because I think most Volkswagens it don't.
Yeah, well, now usually be special. It'll work. Hopefully. This goes up here, right? Yeah, team.
Oh, okay, I see what he's saying. He said, oh, you gotta have that. So tight, that just might be too thick.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to undo that tape and like stagger the wires. It's all the connectors, like the butt connectors.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to do that.
Yeah, I think that's just a little
Yeah.
too fat.
Too much. I was hoping. So I'm gonna try to get them like that, so then at least it's not a giant ball of wires.
Entourage Garage, thank you guys for watching. That's about it for this one. Stay tuned for part 3 when we'll finish this car up for Bob. And hopefully we'll have this thing outside and running. If you are lucky and local, come check it out in person
These boots off
at our 2026 Sunday Euro meets.
because they were a pain to get on. Right? That's right. Okay.
It would go down.
Yeah, it should just bend. Because then that'll save you from doing that. Just putting splice in.
I don't know, it might break, I don't know, it's pretty firm. No,
Yeah, it's bending.
I need a pair of pliers that's out of my hands. That's what I'm used to seeing.
Yeah. Yeah, not really much anymore. There's gonna be a couple things here and there that we gotta figure out, but that's the majority of it.